Hey, how's it going, guys?
What's up, guys?
Welcome to another unboxing video. Now, today, we're going to be unboxing something kind of in the music business, if you catch my drift. So today, we have the JBL Charge Plus.
Yeah, Plus.
So, pretty much what this is, it's a portable Bluetooth speaker. Now, if you've used Bluetooth speakers before, you would know that the quality isn't always there. JBL is known for their very high quality sounds.
Before I picked this up, I was gonna get the Harman Kardon speaker. I think it was the Esquire speaker. This is actually a pretty fairly new product, so I figured why not unbox it.
Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox it, shall we?
Let's do this. I unboxed the last one.
Oh, okay. Alright, so let's go ahead.
Again with the stickers.
Stickers are our main enemies. Fun for the whole family.
How many people does it take to unbox a JBL speaker?
Apparently 4, but we only have 2 right now. 1 for each side. Oh wait, no, 3. I'm sorry. Alright, so we finally got the tape off. How do we open the box?
Are you serious? Don't do this.
No. There we go.
Whoa.
Is that foam? That is foam. Wow. And here's the speaker. Wow, that has some weight to it.
Has a nice grip to it. It feels kind of light, which I like. It should be light since it's portable.
Yeah.
Overall, it feels like a flask. That's exactly what it feels like.
Really?
Yeah. It has a little bit of weight to it, but it feels like a flask.
Oh wow, yeah, you're right.
So let's put this off to the side for now.
If you look inside the box, there is another small box inside. And
Unboxing this. Whoa.
okay, so I think that's the charger. So the first thing that you see when you open up the box is this micro USB charger. That's the same USB charger that you would use to charge your phones or other devices. So,
And the next thing that you have is the power outlet.
you can see that it actually has JBL
Oh, I noticed
right
that.
there. Yeah.
Yeah, if you plug this into the wall, it's flushed into the wall. So if you plug it in, this is how it would look. In multi-platform, you could plug it up either way. So you could plug it face it down, or you could plug it up facing up. Either way, you're good to go.
Also, the micro USB charger is JBL on the ends.
So also inside the box, you have the manual. I don't think we're gonna open this.
I don't know.
And that's about it. Yeah, the box is pretty much empty.
And
The main prize.
the main present.
Here, hold up for them to see. It's like a newborn baby. Nah, this is legit. I like this.
Wow. Oh wow. And the buttons don't really stick out. None of the buttons actually stick out except for the volume control. Alright, so we have your power button right over here. Your Bluetooth enabler so you can connect to your devices. We have your volume control. You have social mode, which is where you can connect up to 3 devices, mobile devices, to the speaker itself. And right here, you have your button where you can answer and disconnect any calls, along with your microphone right over here at the very end.
As for the bottom of the device, you have your micro USB input, your aux cable input, and your USB input. Okay, so now we're gonna actually set up the device. So we're powering it on. Whoa.
Wow.
So it's actually searching for a device right now. So let me go ahead and set it up with my phone. So in order to set it up, what you do is you go to your settings, turn on Bluetooth. Once Bluetooth is on, you look for JBL Charge 2 Plus, and you just click it, and you're automatically set up.
There you go. Alright, so we just connected Michael's phone. Let's go ahead and test out the quality. Wow.
Quality's really good.
Alright guys, guys, so that was our unboxing of the JBL Charge 2 Plus.
If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any ideas of anything you'd like to see us unbox, please leave it in the comment box below. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
Take it easy.